आसगांव घरमोड प्रकरणांतल्यान गोयचो कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था पेड्ड्यार जाल्याचें स्पष्ट चित्र दिसून आयलां। बाउन्सराचो भय दाखोवन बिगर गोंयकार कशा पद्दतीन गोंयकारांचेर दादागिरी करतात तेवूय ह्या प्रकरणांतल्यान उक्ताडार आयलें। आतां तरी मुख्यमंत्र्यान राज्यांतलो कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था सुधारपाचेर लक्ष केंद्रीत करचें अशें म्हणीत विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान सरकाराचेर फोग काडलो। ह्या प्रकरणाचेर विधानसभेतूय उजवाड घालतले अशें ह्या वेळार युरीन सांगलें।
Without politicians and the police involved, this cannot happen. And how can the Home Ministry remain silent, or how can the Chief Minister remain silent? He has to answer. He has to answer that why is this state of Goa turning towards Ravan Raj? Why are these crimes on the rise? It is his duty. He's not facing the media. Jenna media nega prashna kela. I believe he didn't answer. In the morning he didn't answer. Adirus rati kela bharto. So the Mukhyamantri, first of all, is the first citizen of our state. And when he holds Home Ministry, it is a failure on part of the Home Ministry. This is a total collapse of law and order in the state. Whose responsibility is it? It is the responsibility of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister needs to take this responsibility. Can't he handle the Home Department? Why is he silent? We need an answer. The Congress party, जे मला आमचे party president सगळे सांगला, with the twists and turns, BJP to BJP to broker and माझ्या broker and बाजूला broker is also playing a major role. So who is this broker? And when reports had to be given by the Chief Secretary, we had this one sangla when Sharma, Verma is only karma, and in karma jenna aaj and going part galpak ye mukha sagle. Ani this is a very sorry state of affairs. Day in day out, ami jenna the way there is alienation of land sale, the way these Asagaon ya gawan. Baile lok, gusta, who are these land sharks? And how do we protect our land? I believe as opposition MLAs and as Congress party MLAs also, Dr. Babu Yaha, who is an experienced legislator, we will definitely come in the assembly. You will see that we will come with, make sure that this government comes with stringent laws to protect our tiny state of Goa. Seldid the way seldid zata this rat, and here politician nasto raina moda he aspa bazar. It is a laughing joke. I think it is now that the Chief Minister should answer, because since the Home Department comes under him, they get double engine. I think he and his double engine has to answer.